So here is how to type promo code in Temu. Click on my link down in the description to get your free $100 coupon bundle. And use my code ACR697477 to get additional 30% off. So first of all, let's go to temu.com. And as you can see, there are a lot of deals that you can choose from. If you scroll down further, you will get to see the list of products available for you to buy. So I will go ahead and select this one right here, then complete this verification step if required. And as you can see here, the price is already discounted, and you will get to see the discount amount right beside the price. Now, click on Add to Cart, but before that, choose your variant and size and select Add to Cart. Then click on Checkout on the right panel. So once you're in this section, type in the promo code right below Order Summary. So let's type in ACR697477 and click on Apply. This will get you an additional 30% discount. After that, just click on Submit Order to confirm your order. In some cases, you might have to use the code in the mobile application.